Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zay, and for today's video, I am showing you all my updated protein treatment recipe for extreme 4C natural hair growth. Using protein treatments and DIY recipes, regimens, and routines are what has grown my hair from this to this in almost record time. And what has grown my hair from my ears to my tailbone and now to my hips. So if you are looking to grow your natural hair longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger, this is the hair mask and protein treatment recipe for you, as it is packed with so many ingredients that are nutrient-rich and packed with properties proven to help you accelerate your hair growth. This is an updated recipe as my hair has new needs from moving out of the US to Mexico, but fear not, the OG routine is still amazing to use and has already helped myself, Sierra, and so many lovelies in this community grow longer 4C hair even when some thought it was impossible. But if you want extra oomph to the original routine, this video is definitely for you. So without further ado, let's hop right into this video and get into this updated protein treatment recipe. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need eggs, you're gonna need apple cider vinegar, olive oil, an onion. For more benefits, you can use red onion, but a white onion will do. You're also gonna need mayonnaise and an aloe vera leaf. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and start with our onion water to get that started. So, as I said before, you can use a red onion for more potent onion water, but any onion will do. Additionally, if you have the skin on your onion, that is best. You definitely want the skin, but because I live in Mexico, they peel your onions for you, like in the store. So it's kind of hard to come by an onion with the peel on. In any case, you're going to take about 2 pieces of onion. You don't need a lot or a whole onion in order for you to get the benefits of this. I have a shallow pan that is currently on high heat to bring the water and the onion to a rolling boil. And once it hits a rolling boil, I'm going to turn it all the way down so that it can simmer for 5 minutes. While this is simmering, we are now going to go and prep our aloe vera leaf. Before we continue, I do want to mention that if you would like even more nutrient-rich recipes proven to help with natural hair growth, as well as a detailed plan on how Sierra and I unlocked 1.5 inches of hair growth per month, as well as other techniques, routines, and hair regimens designed to help you finally reach your hair goals, you can grab my Growth Training 101 guide now at justforblackgirls.com/shop, as it is currently on sale for an extremely limited time. Training 101 guide has been helping lovelies achieve hair growth beyond their wildest dreams. Customers are crying literal tears of joy because of how much their hair has progressed from using the guide and are achieving waist-length hair and hair longer than when they were children. Our growth training guide is no joke, so if you would like to be put on the path to growing your hair all 2025 and beyond, and join countless lovelies who are finally achieving positive breakthroughs in their hair growth journeys, grab our guide now at justforblackgirls.com/shop before it is too late. Now, let's get back into this recipe. You are getting your aloe vera leaf straight from the ground like I did. You definitely want to grab that at the beginning of your day and let it sit on the counter so that way the poison can come out. If you look at my leaf, you can even see some of that yellow stuff at the bottom. So I'm actually going to go take it to the sink and rinse the leaf off in entirety, as well as whatever excess poison is left. After that, you're now going to lay your aloe vera leaf flat and cut off the spines. I don't know what it is about aloe vera leaves that's coming straight out of the ground, but these thorns really are sharp, and just to make your life a bit easier, I just remove them ASAP. Now I just cut my aloe vera leaf into pretty evenly sized slices all the way up the leaf, and then we're going to cut each of those in half and place them on the plate. Now that the prep for our aloe vera leaf is done, we're going to head back to check on our onion water. This is what you're looking for. You may not be able to see it, but the color has changed slightly after simmering for about 5 minutes. Now we are going to remove it from the heat, because while we are prepping our hair with the aloe vera leaf, that's gonna cool, and then we'll be able to use it for our treatment a bit later. Okay, lovelies, the time has come to assemble our updated protein treatment for maximum hair growth and length retention. We are going to pour all of our onion water into a bowl. This is the color that I was saying, but you couldn't really see it in the pot, and that's okay. I typically use about 3 tablespoons of mayo, so we are going to go ahead and add that to our bowl. Now, in hindsight, I definitely should have combined the mayo and olive oil and egg first and then added in the liquids, but it was going to be watery anyway. And yes, this is watery, so if you want to add it to a different dispenser bottle, like a squeeze bottle for easier application, definitely do so, but a bowl and some gloves always works for me. I went ahead and added in an egg as well as 3 tablespoons of ACV because my hair is very, very, very dirty, and about 2 to 3 ounces of olive oil. No, I don't necessarily measure because I don't need to. And this is for my hair thickness and length. If you don't need to use as much, definitely don't. You can have this recipe or even use a quarter of this recipe. The benefits will remain the same as long as you use the ingredients. Perfect segue back into talking about the benefits of these ingredients. Eggs are truly an unsung hero for hair care. Eggs have been used for hair care as far back as the 11th century in ancient China. And in my own work as a natural hair consultant and natural hair lover for over a decade, I can see why. Our hair is made up of about 80% protein. Eggs, specifically the yolk, are full to the brim with not only protein, but tons of fatty acids and nutrients vital to hair health, growth, and making our hair lustrous and shiny. Biotin, vitamin A, vitamin E, sulfur, and lecithin are just a few of the vitamins and minerals and fats that boost our hair health, growth, and overall appearance. While eggs are still largely underrated in the hair care industry, we take pride. We love them over here, and you should too. Next, we are going over olive oil. Now, olive oil is well known and widely used in the natural hair community, and it's because of its deeply moisturizing, rejuvenating, healing, and strengthening effects on hair. Because of the many rich fatty acids and antioxidants present in olive oil, it helps to both nourish and strengthen the hair, as well as protect it against damage from external stressors like free radicals. All of these benefits work together to help reduce excessive shedding and breakage, promote length and moisture retention, and improve the overall appearance and manageability of the hair. I'm telling you, when I use olive oil, it really helps to soften my hair and makes it that much easier to just style it. Next, we are going over onions because this is one of the newer additions to this wash day routine and maximum hair growth and length retention recipe. Onions are a very popular hair care remedy in India, and it's because the sulfur in onions promote thick and strong hair growth. It also reduces shedding and breakage and provides amazing luster and shine to the hair, which is really what I need. It can also treat dandruff, so for my girlies out there who struggle with that, this is for you. And it also improves blood circulation in the scalp so our follicles receive the nutrients they need to push out healthier, longer, stronger, and thicker hair strands. Aloe vera is a widely used plant, especially in indigenous hair care routines here in America and in the natural hair community because of its highly moisturizing properties. Aloe vera is a cactus plant, so it stores water inside of it. And when we apply the aloe to our hair, not only does it hydrate our hair, but it gives our hair and scalp a boost of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin B12, C, and E that are essential for healthy hair growth. It can also help treat scalp inflammation as well as dandruff. So again, lovelies, for the girls out there who are struggling with dandruff, this recipe is 100% going to help you. Now we are going to go into the last few ingredients, which is ACV and mayo. Apple cider vinegar is great for balancing the pH of our scalps, breaking down built up dirt and product in our hair and scalp, which again helps to retain our length, because if we're breaking down those knots, we're not going to accidentally rip out unnecessary hair. So that helps to retain length, and because of it cleaning our scalp of excess dirt and product, it's also going to encourage hair growth, and ACV also helps to restore shine and volume to our hair. Last but not least, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is made up of eggs and oils, and again, eggs are a superfood for hair health and growth, and vegetable oil, which a lot of tends to be made of, can also help soften our hair with its conditioning properties. I also like to use mayo because of its consistency, so it makes spreading the treatment a bit easier. So those are all of the ingredients in this updated recipe and the reasons why this recipe is great for maximizing your hair growth and length retention. If y'all want to see me install this protein treatment in full for my wash day routine, you can check out my latest video, as it is my full updated wash day routine for maximum hair growth and length retention. We hope you all have an amazing day. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop those pink hearts, lovelies. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.